Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Fuzzboo. Today we are going to build a marble run on top of this, and then it's going to come out of the marble run and go into the marble run that we built last episode. So I hope you enjoy this video. All right, let's do a quick dry run with a marble to see how this marble run works on its own, okay?
Yes, you do it by yourself.
Can you give me the marble? Where's that blue marble? Let's see. We're gonna work on that. We're just doing a test. Okay, it worked, but what happened here? Oh, I did this one wrong.
Yeah.
All right, you ready for test number 2? Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. All right, now we're getting somewhere. So the marble run works. Now let's connect the runs. On top of your head?
Yeah.
Okay, come. You have to stand right there, okay?
I don't want to.
Why not?
Because that's going to come off and no one's
All right, let's. Are you guys ready to try this out? Okay. Where's that blue marble? I found it. Watch. Still going. It works! It works! All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please click like, post a comment. And if you want to see more cool stuff, click subscribe. Thanks for watching.